Welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I'm going to make idlis. So I will show you how I'm going to make idlis without idli stand. So first of all, I will show you that I'm going to soak the rice and the urad dal. With this measurement, I am taking urad dal. With this measurement, I have taken 1.5. I have taken some boiled rice, usna rice. This also I will put. I have taken this so much. I will put this here. Then I have taken some raw rice, that is arwa chawal. I have taken here 1.5. All this I will wash and soak it. I will let it soak till the evening, and the next step I will show you in the evening. Hello friends, I'm back again in the evening with my idli recipe. So come on, I will show you the next step. I have soaked the urad dal and the rice here. So this is soaked up. Now I'm going to grind it. Grind the urad dal and grind the rice also. First I will grind the rice, and then I will grind the urad dal. Friends, I have ground the urad dal and the rice. You can see I have ground it. Now I will put some salt and mix it well. And I will keep this aside, and tomorrow morning I will make the idlis for breakfast. Hello friends, welcome back to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Good morning to all my friends. Now it's going to be about 6:45 in the morning. So I'm back with my recipe with the idlis. So come on, I'm going to make the idlis now. So come on, let us start with the recipe. I will show you how I am going to make it, because I don't have an idli stand. So I will show you how I am going to make it. First of all, I have taken this type of bowls. I will put oil in them, that it won't stick. This way I will put the oil. My batter is ready. My idli batter is ready. You can see whole night it was kept. So nice it's become. Now I will put this in the bowls. This way I will put. Now I am going to set this in one container. In this I am going to make the idlis. You can see this has got holes all sides. So I am going to set all the containers in this. I have put up the water to boil here. In this I am going to make the idlis. Now I'll set this in this. So I'll cover this up now for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I will take it out. Friends, 20 minutes are over. Now I will see the idli is cooked or not. I will dip this and see if it is cooked. Yes, it's cooked. You can see nothing is sticking. The idli is ready. You can see. Now I'll take them out from the bowl. The containers are too hot to take it out. This way I will loosen the idlis from the container, because it's very hot, the container, it's very hot. Now I will take out the idlis in the plate. This way. You can see how soft it's become. Lovely. Nice and soft the idlis have become. It's very hot. See, you can see, and it's cooked up also. In this way I will do the same process I will do with the idlis again, because I have to put oil again in this and then put the batter, and it will carry on in the same process. Friends, my idli is ready. You can see soft, nice and soft it's become. It's cooked nicely. Now I will get ready with the sambar and chutney. For the sambar, I have taken two types of dal, that is arhar dal and the red dal, masoor dal. I will wash this now. I have taken bhendis, it's cut up and washed. I have taken white pumpkin, this also is cut up and washed. I have taken 2 tomatoes, cut up. Taken red chilies and some black mustard. Sambar masala. And while making the recipe, I will show you the other ingredients. For the chutney, I have taken, this is postu, this is garlic and green chilies. All these I will grind and make the chutney. So come on, let us start with the sambar recipe. First of all, I will fry the bhendis. First of all, I'll put the oil to fry the bhendis. The bhendis are almost fried up. Now I'll take them out. You can see the bhendis. Now I'll take them out. Now in the same oil, I will make the sambar. Put in the red chilies, dried ones. Put in the black mustard. I will put some sliced onions. If you all do want to put the onions, it's okay. But I am putting onions. I will let the onions fry golden brown. The onions are almost turned golden brown, you can see. Now I will put in the pumpkin, white pumpkin. Put in the dal. Mix it well. Put in some turmeric powder. Put in the salt to taste. I am not putting chili powder also. If you all want to put chili powder, it's okay, but I'm not putting. Put in the chopped tomatoes. Now I will put in some water. I've put the water. Put some sambar masala. Last of all, I will put the bhendi. Now I will put the bhendi. Otherwise, the bhendi will break. Now the bhendis also won't break because it is fried up also. Now I will put the cover and let it whistle. The sambar also is made. It's done. Lovely sambar, tasty sambar. Nice it's become. Now I will get ready with the chutney. Put some mustard oil. I have ground the postu. Now I will give the tadka into it. So put red dry chili. Put some mustard. Now I will put in the postu in this. Now I will add some salt. Little bit salt, not much. Put little bit water also because it's become very thick. The postu chutney also is ready. The idli, sambar and chutney is ready to be eaten. This is a good breakfast to eat in the morning. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Now I will serve this to my son. Tatu, how's the idli? Taste it.
Nice. Very nice.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Eat. It's hot. It's made nicely?
Yes. Very nice. Very delicious.
Thank you for watching my video.